Welcome, guys, and thanks for being here. Another day, a little bit early, a little bit early. Yesterday, starting with a Tokyo session. Probably for the next weeks, we're not going to open more positions on Mondays for Tokyo session. Um, why? Because the opening is not giving us really good Mondays. So remember, like around, I would say, 80% of the entries on Monday from Tokyo session hit us, hit us, and a stop loss. So probably for Tokyo, probably next weekend, no, uh, no session there. I try a re-entry near to the our point of entry. Why? Because I lose around $500 yesterday, almost $600 in Tokyo session. So well, I opened the trade into the 50 51 12 for get some recover. Then going to sleep with the entry. Well, now the entry is really really good profit. That was great. That was great. Same into the new point of entry and everything. So beautiful for some recover. That was really nice. That's pretty good. Almost $1,000 there. I save 700 in B. Well, recovering some money. Now this trade was for basically was for pretty close to London session. Now we need to wait the retracement to into the sell zone for open the trade. Okay, that was great. Nice, but how about us, your followers? Nothing, nothing for you guys at this moment. No more than pure patience. That's all. Boa, my friend, welcome. That's Boston. Pretty here is pretty shiny. Boba, my friend. Boba, my friend. That was great. Uh, Jik Taigas. Well, someone ask answer to the Jit Taigas. So ya already changed it. Perfect. Buenos días, hace tiempo no pasaba por acá. Solo pasaba pendiente en Telegram. Perfecto. Esa es la idea, ¿no? Estar pendiente del Telegram, estar pendiente de la información ahí, que realmente es lo que les va a dar el verdadero punto de entrada. Okay. Excellent, my friend. Beautiful. What time is CPI news will be affect? Mm, I don't know if we have a CPI. Uh, well, the no news for today. No news for today. Nope, no news. So, well, in the Nasdaq trade, the Nasdaq is falling because it started with a massive gap. So I don't feel too much comfortable with the Nasdaq structure now because it started with a massive gap. So well, hello brother, hello my friend. But yes, Nasdaq started with a not too much gap. Well, it's a massive gap. That's simple. Okay, let me secure the 1000. Securing the 1000. Let me see. 57. Perfect. Securing the 1000. Perfect. Let's see. So probably we will work the buy position. We will work the buy position. Hello, Beros. Exactly. That wasn't for you. That wasn't for the. I would just take it the position, and that's all. Remember, I'm not going to share all the positions because sometimes you're going to trail on and that things will happen. I need to recover. I need some space most of the time. And yesterday was the time, for to stay there alone and just with me. And that's all. There. Mhm. Let's expect a very good week. Let's expect a very good week. Buenos días, feliz inicio de semana. Soy mi amigo, pura vida. Excelente verlo por aquí. Del equipo de los dos, tres ticos que ven el canal. Excelente. Mm, I'm clarifying if the 5085 it's a possible point of 5095 it's a possible retracement, you know, here. Well, good position it's taken. Let's try the re-entry because the last candle in 1 hour give us another sell zone. So let's see what happened here for the retracement there. Hmm. So 1595 could be a good point. Manolito, good day to you, my friend. Hello, my friend Jack. Thanks for being here. Volatility is less than the usual. I don't think so, my friend. Why? Because if you can see in 15 minutes it did around 400 pips in 15 minutes. It's not volatility is still doing the same. You know? Just some candles they stay relaxed, chill. For example, the last three candles. And that those candles continue around for 100. So while waiting the retracement, guys, we will try the position. Mm, Yesterday we try here. Let's see. Let's see. It's again. It's pure patience, guys. Pure patience. Gary, gonna have to be patient to trade today. Yes. It's Monday. Starting the. We end the last week really good. Around 10 trades. Just just one stop. Sorry, just three stops. So it was pretty good. No, I'm not buying there. The position there is not the possible send. Let's go for UTP. I don't expect that. And gonna be patient right today. Yes, Pikachu Gaming is here. Brute is here. Welcome, dear. How are you? Everything good? Buenos días. 68. Probably yes, but at this moment I'm just waiting, guys. This moment I'm just waiting. Daniel, buen día, mi amigo. ¿Cómo estás? Pura vida. Well, thanks, Scott. I recovered some money. Um, was a difficult point yesterday. Difficult lose. Why? Because for the sell zone it did around 100 pips, but it touched the TP1 around for some seconds and then starting to go up. I hold the position as much as I can, and well, that thing happens. By my side was around 600 in positive at least. That was great. That was the signal. That was my own entry. But well, again, I need sometimes I'm going to need to recover by my side alone. Quiet. Always I share the positions there, and then I will try to recover the next positions. Okay. Well, let me work like this. Perfect. The price is going up. Exactly. Exactly. Well, I need to feel good. If I feel bad, I'm not going to provide like another entries into the channel because more possibilities to lose it. So for that reason, I need to be focused every day. But well, let's see. Now the price is going up. So well, guys, it's pure patience, guys. Pure patience. Pure patience. That's all. Uh, we hold this position. I already close my positions. Around Thursday, Friday, probably Thursday, I will do a withdrawal. Let's see what we have. So people still asking me, guys, and I really want to clarify something. I really want to clarify something. People ask me steps how they can do the deposit or how they can do the withdrawal or how they can open the account with Cellium. by my side it's okay, by my side it's okay, or to give simple answers and everything. But I'm not a customer support agent, guys. I'm not a customer support agent. You need to be clear of that. If you have any questions of any problem, um, Selling have a 24 hours agent for um, answer any questions about basic questions, specific questions. If you have a problem with the account, go with them. If you have a problem with the wallet, go with them. If you have a problem with the if you don't understand how to do a withdrawal, go with them. If you don't understand um how to add money into the broker, go with them. If you want to know what is the method of payments, go with them. If you want to go to check the times for the withdrawal, go directly with them, guys, not with me. I'm not the customer support agent, so please be clear of that. The link is there if you want to work. Um, and well, it's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. For add money, again, always it's a pretty simple here to just go to deposit. Into the deposit, you will have I don't know, $250, for example. Then if you have an options for Tether, TRC20, ERC20, USD, USDC, or BIP20. It's another option. So well, that's all. The promotional code. Use the Laurito Trading here into the promotional code Laurito Trading for receive the promotion. Of course, this is my account, so you will I will receive this message. But well, for the others, just go there, use the Laurito Trading. Let's see, use the Laurito Trading, and that's all. You will receive the 100 for sell one bonus. So be clear of that, okay? Yes, by my side, I live in Costa Rica. The only option is by crypto. As simple as that, guys. So well, that's all. That's all. Now we are waiting here the retracement, and we will wait the point of entry. Sorry, the confirmation, the candle confirmation. But yes, I'm still receiving questions. I don't know for example, some people this weekend asked me like questions related with Binance, and I said I don't want to be rude, but then I said like, okay, go with Binance. Like it's because I don't know how to use Trust Wallet. Um, so go with the support with Trust Wallet, and they will give you the important information. That type of questions, like Remember, here we need to wait the confirmation, guys. The confirmation. It's going up. Yes, it's going up in 1,000, guys. But well, yes, this weekend I feel like 7 years ago, last customer support agent, resolving general questions and everything. It remember me when I was working in a call center. Going up again, guys. We are not into any position at this point. Okay, testing the second cell zone. So let's ignore the first one. And let's continue with the original cell zone there. Okay, going back to our original point of entry. So let's see what happened. Waiting. Remember, here we need to wait the confirmation, guys. The candle confirmation. active. So, well, guys, if you want to open the trade, that's up to you. I'm waiting the confirmation. Caroline, querida, aquí estamos, esperando la confirmación. Aún nada. That's it. This is the last. This is the last candles. So the zone into the 5085, it's done. Waiting these 8 minutes for clarify what we have. Okay. How we can look for yourselves, and that was a nice confirmation. Nice confirmation. But we need to wait these 7 minutes. Okay, 7 minutes is a must to everyone. So well, good reaction. Good reaction. So well, beautiful reaction into the sales and going back to our second position for 5085 for the Celsius. Okay. 87. I took a small position here at second sell TP 5085. That's great. Good job. Good job. Well, this candle was for around 300 pips. The green candle was for 350. Oh. So that is for the guy who's telling us like no volatility today, and yes, volatility today again and again and again. A minute. Okay, guys, 600 people is here in the streaming. 600 people is here in the stream and just 100 likes, guys. Please help me with this, please. Really appreciate that. Okay. Well, let me clarify what we can do here. 50, 60. Let's see what it's going to write first. The difference, if to the sell some, just we need to wait the retracement. The difference is for the buy some, we need to wait the confirmation, guys. Not an easy, not an easy market, not an easy conditions right now. Around more than 1,000 pips in less than 1 hour for both sides, going up, going back, going up again. I'm going back again. So difficult conditions. Están raras esas velas, sí, están duro. Rango hasta el miércoles, tal vez, por los datos. Sí, probablemente estemos un rango. Veremos qué pasa. Está bastante fuerte. Quiero tomar entrada, pero bueno, es complejo. Jesus Christ. Según el calendario no hay nada esos días. Imagino que no habrá gran movimiento, claro, la semana donde la elección del mercado sí que es buscar mínimos y máximos para comprar o para vender. ¿Cómo está la cosa? Está complicada. Not bad, my trade has been up and down. Yes. Now it looks difficult, you know? Looks like normal structure, but it's not that normal, you know? It's not that normal. First, it did in the first 15 minutes, it did 500 pips. Now it did 350 pips. One of the account reach 5 or 3%. That's your win. The sell and buy, it's heading. You don't moments like that. Yes, that's the points. What I don't like to um my strategy is based in just wait the correct price, just wait the correct timing, and try to open good positions and everything. But it's difficult, it's difficult for clarify sometimes with this type of positions. And well, let's see, let's see what we have, let's see what we have. It's very patient. We have time. Today we start early, we start early. um I don't know, I don't know. Murdu is already banned to the channel. Sorry for him, but it's banned for don't be a normal person. So well, guys, remember, if you want to work with a prop firm, just go into the propfirmmatch.com. There you will see a really good options, a really good discounts there. Of course, according your money, according your wallet, you have a different options there too. So just go there, and there you will see many options, and the most trustable prop firms will be listed there. So that's pretty good. Make me a favor, click into the link to the prop firm match. The link is into the description, and the link I will share it into the chat, guys. I only have $50 anyway, so with that $50, I recommend just go into the a challenge, my friend. You will be better experience with a prop firm, better knowledge with a prop firm. Invest in that $50 than just going to a broker and waste that $50. To be honest, yes, Joseph. If you go there into the prop firm match, you will see an options there for FDMO. What is the FDMO here? Let me see. Let's check. FDMO. Good. They receive really good options, really good reviews. Well, if you go there, there you will see the promotions with FDMO, for example. Let's see buy. Payouts. Well, there is the information here. Just give me 1 second because for this. But yes, FDMO, if you can see, just go into the browser, and you will see the options there, my friend. Yes, they have the options, my friend Joseph. I will visit your page. Perfect, my friend. Proper remember is for clarify your ideas. What is the best option for you according your country, according your level of wallet? That means level of wallet money. You know. What is your best experience for a prop firm? That's a good question. But my side, I use FXI5, but some people don't like that one. You know, I test FTMO, I test Quantikill, I test FXI5. What else? I test Blue Guardians. By my side, I really enjoyed, the FXI5 and the FTMO. It's very good. But the thing with the FTMO, they continue using the MT5 and everything. So when I saw the FXI5 continue with the trading view and everything, that was great. That was beautiful. But well, my recommendation is like this, guys. Try to save the money for your accounts. If you have $50, for example, it's better to try a prop firm, better than just go directly to the broker. Um, Test your knowledge, practice a lot to the with the account. Um, you need to follow the rules. That's the idea. That's the idea. If you pass the challenge and you continue with your prop firm account for at least 3 6 months with the payouts, just invest that payouts for create a real account. With that rules will help you to don't burn your real accounts. You know, it's going to it's going to be pretty good. It's going to be pretty good. But yes, it's that's the deal. Practice and practice. You have many options for them. So that's my recommendation. That is something what I do. That is something what I do right now because I continue with the prep firms and continue with the real account. So so it depends of you guys. It depends of you. Sí. How do you get the sell and buy zones? Well, this is the structure in 1 hour. Mhm. There is a true hit and from the oldest trader. You can get rich from your own capital. It's difficult, you know. If your capital is around less than 5,000, it's going to be very difficult to be risk to be rich, you know. People with more money than me is saying like it's going to be difficult to be rich for with the $10,000. You know, the people richer than the others is going to like okay, it's going to be difficult for be richer with $50,000. You know, it depends of your point of view. Tanto escenario. No hacer nada. Quedó la pata. Tanto laburo, tan poca plata. For the consistency rule, it's that's the rule. What it's pretty difficult, you know. But many prop firms don't have the consistency rule. The consistency rule is just for the instant funding, I think. You know, for the instant funding, there you will see you're going to see the consistency rule. The condition should not idle trouble speaking this evening. This probably why you are getting those conditions. I'm still waiting the positions. Exactly, the consistency rule it's difficult, but something what we can find with the consistency rule it's just the we already got the confirmation. What was the confirmation? This red candle. So probably we need to wait a little more. So I'm going to eat something and back, okay? Not sure. I'm hungry, but Cero que buscas. But well, let's wait. Let's wait. No, I'm going to stay here. I'm going to stay here. Okay. So we need more, at least 51.12 for open the trade. That's all. Remember, we already got the confirmation. What was the confirmation? This beautiful candle here. Minimum 51.09. So let's see. So, well, guys, I'm going to eat and back, okay? I'm going to eat and back. Stay there. Chill. Let's wait the retracement and back. So, well, guys, back. I was eating. Um, we have a problem here. We need to take a decision if go into the middle of the 5105 or wait the retracement. It's it's difficult. But well, that's good. Great reaction, great retracement. Good retracement. Okay. Supek, my friend, welcome. Thanks for being here. For Mowarfa, yes, many people here into the chat is into the Telegram. So, well, I'm not winning all the trades, but I'm doing my best for all the positions. So that's my main goal. My main goal is like this. Trying to do my best, of course. See, that's 32, 35. Okay, guys. It's time to be ready. Forzan, 7:30 de la mañana. Antes era las 8:30, pero ya cambiamos de horario en Daylight Saving, entonces 7:30. Okay, guys. So let's be ready. Muy bien, perfecto, mi amigo. Ya tenemos 3 ticos en el canal. Okay, little consolidation there. So we prepare the position there now. We're in the position there. Sell position. Waiting to test again the 008. Let's see. We can go there. 05, 06. Good. Zero 07. The position it's open. Let's see what we have. Positions 07. Okay, 51, 07, 31. Okay. Fuck. Sorry, guys. I closed the position. Sorry, close it. TPM 5127. 5122. It's the stop, but it's still there. 22. It's 22. And the full TP at 75. 50, 75. 75. Nope. It's 50, 75. Okay, good. Let me look the TP. TP1. 98, TP1. 50, 98. 98. TP2. 50, 94. TP3. 50, 89. Full TP. 50, 75. Okay, So working into the TPS. $50.98. 1, 2, 3, 50.94. Okay, the position it's open. Commit a little mistake with the setting the TPS, but instantly I corrected, opening again mm, the trade. Let's see the reactions there. The position it's taken. TP1 96.80. And the good reaction. Still in positive. Okay, the positions are there. TP1. Let's see what we have. Let's go for the TP1. 105 pips is TP1. Let's see. Good. TP1 is for 105 pips. Okay, almost there. Almost there. Let's see if we can find something good next minute. Okay, TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now, guys. TP1 it's now. Partials. Partials, please. Partials, please. TP1 it's now. 5 pips. Partials. Set your break even. I will reduce a little. Stop there. So let's see the TP1, TP2. $5. Share your profits, guys. At this point, go with the L key because this is not a prop firm, my friend. That is the reason. Share your profits. 39 dime, 39 dime. It's because if you are using my link, you don't need the code, my friend. That is the main reason. Oh, that is the only reason. Setting the full beam. Already sharing to the chat. So let me read the profits. UFC $70. That's great. Karim $10. Beautiful. Usman $27. Cholo Cholo Telentino. Cholo Telentino $50. Yusef $30. That's great. Sam Nup $29. That's great, my friend. Pikachu Gaming $25. Partial. Beautiful. That's great. Asdac $1,000 and 200 and 200. Beautiful. $12. Close at TP1. 100. 100. No, sorry. Yes, $114 for Paul UK. Beautiful. Gilmar 200. Excelente, mi amigo. Un saludo. Saludo. $60 for Mim. $60. That's great. Ronald Arguila $10. Beautiful. Holding the positions. Remember, holding the positions. We are in B, but we are holding the positions. Okay. Gonzalo quiere full TP. It's totally valid. It's okay. Shout only $150. Beautiful. Brooklyn $246. Great. $23. Great. $120. Good. Brooklyn $245. Beautiful. So well, let's continue. We need to continue with this pressure for the next 8 minutes. I'm still in full B, holding the position. So I'm seeing many people paying attention for take their good position, take the good points. So that's beautiful. That's make me happy. That's pretty pretty good. $55 for Savira, the Kingmaker, $251. That's great. Good. Sampat, $30. Holdings here, that's your one. That's good. Let's go to TP6. Let's go for the buy some. Thanks, May. A small account. Matthew, five, five, and that, well, let's see, six British pounds. That's great. Sahu, $25. Beautiful. That's great. I'm still holding. Remember, guys, holding the same position. Important for the um next points. Hmm. This is the last 5 minutes. Let's see if we can find something good or not. Popa, $50 is still running. Okay, good. That's really great. Very good. Pretty nice. Now at this moment it looks like this. The well, the first position. Sorry, I closed it by mistake. Then this position continue in $120 in positive, and I already secure $50. I think $80. I already secure $80 in, sorry, $65. Let's secure at least $80 there. There we are. Well, $99. It's okay. I'm securing another $100 here in my B. Still holding in B for see what happened. Okay, so this is the same process. What you need to do, guys, take some partial, secure it in B. I know it's TP1, but TP1 was for 105 pips, guys. That's totally, um, totally valid with this type of market. This is the conditions. Going back, $30 for Supec. That's great. I'm still holding this one. Remember, I'm break even, and I already set the partial. Probably will hit the B. Boom, 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 boom. And remember something important, guys. With this type of conditions, it's okay if you close the position in TP1 or in TP2 or in TP3. It's totally okay because due to the high volatility, we're seeing in less than, as you can see, in less than 50 minutes, we saw it down for around 150 pips, and now it's going up for around 100 pips. So it's for, it depends of the market conditions that we hit. Break even was taken. Break even was taken. So well, the trade end with a in a positive for around 200 $10, something like this. That's great. That's great. This is the positions what I have for today. Two cells. The two cells give us really good conditions there. Okay. Remember, this is scalping. Luis for 150 pips, $150. That's great. Well, TP1 guys, starting the week with TP1 in New York session for some recover for most of you for the so sell plus 105 pips. Let's see. 6, ok, eso serían 9, 2. 6, 9, 2. 6, 9, 2. 12. So we tried, and the sellers tried to break the 50.95, not to the with a good pressure. I would say that well, it was a good pressure, but well, the price continued there, trying to go back. For that reason, we need to use the break even and the partials, guys. YouTube, $100. Thank you. It's a pleasure, my friend. So what to do now? Nothing. Just secure the 100 pips, and that's all, my friend. I'm waiting. It's too early. I feel it's too early, but it's not that early. Today we start later. No, today we start early. Early, guys. Because of the daylight savings, guys. Remember. Still bearish? Yes. Why don't you re-enter sales? It was a good opportunity to do the re-entry and everything. But I'm okay. I'm okay with the position now. We try our best, and probably it will give us a good reaction and everything. But that's all. That's all. That's all by my side. Probably tomorrow we will have a better position. Still bearish. Still bearish. Well, gold it's in a uptrend positions, but we can apply for the retracement with no too much problems. Stop loss was not hit. No, the position was stopped because the position was in break even. The position was in break even. The position was in break even, guys. Please. I worry sometimes because I think some people don't understand what is the break even, and some people don't understand what is to take partial. Um, that's make me worry. So well, I think it's better to sell some. Probably yes. Probably the 31 is a better position. Tokyo session, no stream. No Tokyo session. It's by Discord. Um, it looks like this. For example, right now I already explained here. Like we will take the position around 51.11 because that was the south sun. So we will wait the second entry for open the trade, but this the Tokyo session looks like this. I share the positions, them some advice, then the position. Yesterday it touched the TP1, same as today, like 105 pips. But instantly when it touched the TP1, it go up so hard. So I was texting, I was texting and everything, and then after the TP1, it goes for the stop. So well, for that reason, I take it as a stop. By my side, I take another position for around $1,000. That's great. Um, this is how it looks like for for the people who are interested into the Telegram, learning forex. Many videos there. Many videos there. Trading news, of course. Lewis always update the news. Pretty important. Droxy is helping us too to the different point of view about the war and everything. The pre-recorded videos is there about the strategy. Books, important books for psychology of trading. Could be how to be constantly mastering the psychology. The books, most of the books, well, you will find into the Discord is for the psychology, guys. It's the psychology. Andre, I'm holding. Please guess and sell. My friend, if you are selling, try to hold your position at least to the TP1, but take care, okay? If the stop loss 51. Well, guys, again, I'm going to delete this because I'm not into the position anymore. The V was taken, guys. The V was taken. Okay. Boba is with us for around 1 year exactly. I have many members for very old members. Guys, remember the signals into the channel. I'm not going to permit signals into the chat because most of the people who share the signals is going to disappear tomorrow. It's going to disappear, or in the next minutes they're going to disappear. So please be clear of that. Please be clear of that. Um, that type of things we try to avoid. I'm the only ones who always come back into the chat. I'm the only one. If I lose, I'm going to stay here. If I win, I'm going to stay here. But most of the people, when they share the signals and they lose, they're going to disappear, and that's all. That's all. This is important because some people are asking about the Discord. Uh, Discord is for learn and understand why I'm going to take the positions. Okay, it's for learning purposes. There, give support if I have questions. So we'll clarify the the um, the information and everything. Of course, they pre-recorded, but it's not for receive more signals. Just for understand why I'm taking the positions. Oh, so maybe we go down, my friend, again. For that reason, I was out of this of the zoning break even and not take any break, any other positions, any other position because probably it will continue. Here, it failed to break the 5095, so that is a red flag. I would say let's call red flag. Today, so probably the sun will be taken soon. So break even and partials is part of our strategy, guys. So please be clear of that. That's true. Real trader accept to lose as a part of the game and try to do my best. But again, I'm not going to. I'm not going to. For example, last Thursday, I lose around 1,200 dollars for overtrade. You I opened zero that almost one lot. You know, this account and is for one lot for this account is too much. But well, on Friday I recovered some money. On Friday I did some withdrawal, $250, not too much, but it was great. It was great. Um, and now I don't know, like less than a week, recovering the $1,000 what I lose on Thursday. So it's pure patience, guys. Just for one bad day, just for one bad week, just for one bad month, it's a process. It's a process, and you need to understand that process. Probably it's going to be painful most of the time, but if you follow your process, if you follow your stop loss, if you follow your profits, if you set the partials, if you uh, set your break even, everything is going to be okay. Everything is going to be okay, guys. Okay, so well, guys, always take the profits, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, exactly. Don't hold if you're not sure. If you're still holding this rate, at least be sure of the TP1. At least. So, well, guys, remember, if you want to work with a prop firm, just go into the propfirmmatch.com. There you will have many options for clarify what is the best option for you, according your necessities, according your wallet, according your point of view, according your country. You know, just go there and you will see what is the best option for you. Many options there. Before apply any challenge or instant funding, just read the rules, please. Okay. So remember, if you already have the experience and you want to rate some prop firms, just go into the prop firm match and you will see what is the best option for you guys. Okay. Perfect. By my side, guys, remember the Jesus. What's the name for the change of the hour? Well, the daylight savings starts today. Um, so we will start early, one hour and a half early. Okay, so please be clear of that. So well, um, again, the market will close early, so that's another point of you need to take care of that. Okay, the market will close early, guys. So we will have at the end of New York to a starting Sydney session, 1 hour the market will be closed. Okay, so be clear of that. Okay, and take care of your account. Read the rules of your broker and everything because that is pretty important. Okay, 1 hour early, exactly 1 hour early. That's correct. Okay. The ones who are asking, guys, again, if you want to apply for the selling promotion, there's the option. But the minimum deposit is $500. So be clear of that. If you want to use the same broker as me, working pretty good. The problems last week, the data center suffered some issues with the war, but the data center now is working pretty good. Now the app is working again, pretty nice. And let's see how much we can continue with this account. In positive, yesterday was a little painful, but it will recover pretty good. Okay, so that's all, guys, for by my side. Thanks for your support. Thanks for always being here, and of course, thanks for your time. That's pretty important by my side. The time, according what do you need, guys. Thanks for everything. Okay, I appreciate everyone here. The good comments, the bad comments, the if the people is angry, that's okay. If the people don't like me, that's okay. But remember, even if I lose, even if I win, I'm going to come back. Okay, always come back. Thanks for your support, guys. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. Remember, if you want to be part of the community, it's $169 lifetime subscription. Okay, it's not for free. It's a $169 lifetime subscription, guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the time. See you tomorrow in New York session, guys. I will continue for the people into the Telegram in Tokyo session. That means in around 9 hours. 9 hours.